Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to make a cute bouquet of flowers. To begin, we're going to start from the bottom, making a vertical line going down, a diagonal line, and then a little curved line going up. There we go. And next, we're going to make another curved line for the bottom. And two straight lines to show the creases of the plastic. I'm going to make a bow next. Two curved lines. A diagonal line. And here is my bow, going up, down, and around. Like a sideways U. And then another one right on the other side. If you want, you can make some swirls in the inside. Backward C's. Going up. Next, I'm going to make the rest of the plastic that holds the bouquet of flowers. And then I get the other side right there. Remember, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause and go at your own pace. Let's make some green leaves on the side of our bouquet. I'm going to make a V shape right here, and another V shape connecting, another V shape, and one last one. There we go. Next, let's make the other V shapes on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and make a tiny one right on the top here. 4. Let's start drawing those flowers. To begin, I'm going to put a circle in the middle. That's going to be one flower. Then I'm going to make another circle on the other side. And one more on the top. Next, we're going to make little U's around our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm going to keep on going, and so can you. Wrapping it up over here, have a couple of more to go, and there you have it. We have all the petals to our flowers. Let's make some fancy leaves around our flowers with little V shapes, and I'm going to make some more pointy V's on the top here. So all of our areas are covered. Now let's make some little facial features for our flowers. 2 little circles for eyes, little eyebrows, and a U shape for the mouth. Again, make little eyebrows, little circles, and a tiny little smile for its mouth. Let's make another face and a little tiny mouth. Open wide. Yay! All our faces are done on our flowers. Have it, we're ready to color. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home and comfortable with using. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.